Exercise, seated knee to elbow, alternating. Starting position. 1. Sit on a mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. 2. Lean back slightly, engaging your core for stability. 3. Interlace your fingers and place your hands behind your neck. Do not pull on your neck. 4. Keep your elbows open wide. Movement. 1. Lift your right knee toward your chest. 2. At the same time, twist your torso so your left elbow moves toward your right knee. 3. Try to make your elbow and knee touch, or get as close as possible. 4. Return to the starting position with control. 5. Repeat on the opposite side. Left knee up, right elbow toward it. Tips. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement. Avoid pulling your neck with your hands. Move slowly and with control to engage the obliques effectively. Perform 10 to 20 repetitions on each side, depending on your fitness level. Please check my next video.